Hello, today I am teaching percentage off in financial mathematics for the upper primary levels. So we have 50% off, 25% off and 10% off. Students by this age should know that 50% off is half, 25% off is half of the half, and 10% off is 1/10. So let's build on this prior knowledge. Percentage off is the actual discount, and this is where a lot of students find it difficult. That percentage off is the actual discounted component. We need to work out this discount, which is the percentage off, minus the original, and you will get your new answer, which is new value that you pay at the checkouts. This is the visual representation. Half, which is that part, and 25% off. By this stage, some students might still wonder, why is 50% off a half? So let's put it into an equation. 50 out of 100%. Let's simplify it. Divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 5, which is 1, divide by 5, which is 2, and that's a half. 25% of 100, divide by 25, divide by 25, and that brings us to a quarter. Now that we know how to work out percentage off, let's take it a step further. I'll give you a scenario. With the uncertainty of the coronavirus at the moment, a lot of flights are giving discounts. So some are doing 50% off, some are doing 25% off, and some are doing 10% off. So the flight going to LA is $800. Some are doing 50% off, some are doing 25% off, some are doing 10% off. So how do we work out the discount and how do we work out the final value? Half of $800 is $400. 25% of 800, so we got half first, and half of that, which is $200. 10% of 800 is 80. So now we do have to minus this discount to the original value, and that's $400, $600, $720. To extend the students that are ready, let's show them a way to inverse the problem. So instead of working out the discount, we work out the portion that we need to pay. So if the discount is 25%, we need to pay 75%. If the discount is 10%, we need to pay the 90% portion. So for instance, if the flight is 10% off, instead of working out the 10% off, we work out what's the 90% off, so which is 90 out of 100 times by 800, and we will get 720, and that's a way to work it out on the calculator with technology. 90 divided by 100 times, because it's 90 out of 100 off 800, we'll substitute the word off with times, and that's the answer that we will get. To gauge understanding, which is a form of our formative assessment, I've made a few games, make it fun. So this is bingo. Students are to draw their own grid, starting from number 5, increments of 5, and finishing off at 80. I would give them all the questions. They can first do it using the calculator, and then they can use that mental mathematics. I've also got the QR code games. I could make a lot of these with all these different questions. So what they do is they try to work it out either with a calculator or mentally, and then they scan it with an iPad, depending on how many iPads there are in the classroom. They could work in groups or in pairs. So with a lot of these, and while they're going through it, they grow a growth mindset, and they know that it's okay to make mistakes, and that's how we learn. So with for summative assessment, for record keeping, I would do a multiple choice quiz.